Hello, in today's video I will show you how to generate a voiceover for YouTube Shorts. To do that we need to go to text to speech, and here we need to paste our script. I already have one prepared, and after that we can adjust if we want it to be slow or fast, stability, more variable, more stable, similarity low, high. I will just go for this one and then I will hit apply. Also I can change my voice I want. I will just go to show more, and you can change the language, category, gender or age. If you want it to be, for example, a younger voice or to be a male voice, it will help you to just pick it. Also in category you can just choose if you want it to be narrative or story mode. I will just stick to the voice I already have picked out, and then you just need to press regenerate, and after a few seconds you should have your script and your voiceover here. So you just need to save it and then go to app you are going to make your video for YouTube Short, and then just add the audio clip, and this is how you made a voiceover for your YouTube Short. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.